All right, I just finished a live stream riding on the bike through Badlands National Park here. Just got to Wall Drug here. So, and I'm going to go grab a bite to eat. I am hungry. All right, let's head to Wall Drug and go have my buffalo burger. My traditional buffalo burger I have to have every time I'm here. Well, almost every time. Of course, I gotta go in this way. Oh man, nice to be in air conditioning. All right, the moment I've been waiting for. Buffalo burger. Let's see how much it cost. $20.25. Total came to $25.28. Buffalo burger with cheese, fries, and a souvenir cup. There we go. Now I'm going to partake. Oh yeah, I should mention I also bought a book. Okay, I am back at camp now. It's about 1:30 p.m. and of course now it's really heated up. It's gotten really hot, and so I came back to camp. I'm sitting in the shade, got a nice breeze coming through, so it's actually really quite nice here in the shade. But I'm just going to take it easy for the rest of the afternoon, and I'm going to go back to Wall Drug later on and have some ice cream or something there, have a little snack, a treat. But I'm charging, I got my generator going right now. I got that plugged in, got a 140 watt charger there going into my power station. I'm charging that back up. I had it at 80%. I had the Starlink hooked into that, and I had it at 80% when I started the ride, and when I was done at the end of the ride it was at 44%. That's pretty darn good, you know, for that amount of time. 2 hours and 41 minutes, something like that. Yeah, so one of those days I was gonna take it easy now, and I decided I'm not going to be doing an evening ride in Badlands National Park tonight. You know, I thought about that during the live stream, maybe taking riding through again in the evening, but I changed my mind and said I'm just gonna take it easy instead. But anyways, I'm gonna say, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you the book I got. Okay, grab that book out of there. There, whoops. Outlaw Tales of South Dakota. I'm going to probably start reading that while I'm sitting here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so my next video clip is probably going to be probably on my way over to Wall Drug for the ice cream later on this evening. So, alright, talk to you later. Okay, I'm walking back to Wall Drug now to have my ice cream. All I did was relax all afternoon, so that was nice. Okay, there it is. I got peppermint stick ice cream. Got 2 scoops. Ice cream there. That's this little ice cream place here. And the main cafe is back there. But I'm going to take and enjoy this, so I'll talk to you later. Alright, that hit the spot. I'm trying to come back here to the backyard just to see what it looks like. Well, I know what it looks like. See how busy it is. It is really quiet right now. It's after supper, or all around supper time right now. There you go. And all the shops that are in that building back there, they're all closed for the day. So, I guess there's really nothing else to look around at Wall Drug right now. I already did everything I wanted to, looked at everything I wanted to, so I think I'm going to head back to camp. There we go, one last look as I head out the door.
Look at his eyes before you sit down. Look at his looking at you. Yeah. Now you look at him like that.
And into the warmth, into the hot. But there we go. I think I'm going to take and wrap up this video now. I'm not going to do anything else other than to go back to camp and kind of get things ready to do some packing up tonight so I can do it quicker in the morning to get headed out to go to Sturgis. So, all right. So, and I'm hoping if it works, I'm hoping to do a live stream ride on the motorcycle as I ride to Sturgis from here. So that's what my hope is, as long as it works. that's what the plan is. So anyways, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one. Bonus footage. I wonder how long that train is. Got 3 engines on it. Looks like I might be standing here for a while. I gotta get over on the other side. Okay. Alright, now thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. More bonus footage. It stopped. Oh man. Okay, now what? Well, I'll try to figure something out. And oh, is it gonna back up now or what? Oh man, this is bad timing. Okay, talk to you later. Well, it's moving again. I came back and sat to sit on a bench, and I'm just gonna sit here and wait it out. There's the end of it, finally. There we go. Okay, now I can walk back to camp. Alright, and once again, for the 3rd time I think it is, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.